Now, before you sign the final papers, there's one crucial step to ensure everything is in order, and that's the final walkthrough. As a realtor with 24 years of experience, I help clients with this every day. But I understand that you may have never been through this process, or maybe it's been a while. And just like everything else, things change quickly. So let's break down the final walkthrough. I guess first, what is a final walkthrough? It's really your last chance to inspect the home before closing to ensure all negotiated repairs are completed and that the property is in the agreed upon condition. Key areas to check are verify that all the repairs and changes promised have been made by the seller to your satisfaction. Test the minor systems and appliances to confirm they're in working order. Look at any issues or damage that may have occurred since your last visit. If there is an issue, and it's not a major issue, you can still proceed with closing and possibly holding back some funds from the seller until the issue is resolved. Now, walkthrough and timing and coordination, schedule the walkthrough as close to your closing date as possible, typically a day before or on the day of closing. Allow enough time so that if any issues are discovered, there's room to address them before the actual sale. Tips for a successful walkthrough: bring a checklist, take notes and photos for reference, ask questions if something doesn't look right, and don't hesitate to call your agent for guidance. Remember, this step is all about ensuring your new home meets your expectations before you officially take ownership. The final walkthrough is your safety net to ensure everything is as it should be before closing. If you need help preparing your checklist or having any questions about what to look for, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. In the next video, we'll cover closing day itself and what to expect when you officially become a homeowner. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along or binge all these videos so you don't miss a step.